of detail.
A lot of detail. Yep. Yep.
Yeah. Okay, come on. Slide over here, buddy.
It's like bud.
Because if your legs aren't good enough to stand,
Ooh, I like that one.
That's cool. Salute to the Marine Corps.
Oh, my son's a Marine. Both my brothers are Marine. Yeah,
They probably like this then.
they would like that.
A lot of people model Army, but these are all
Marine
Marines.
Corps.
Special kind of flat car.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, these are all LTV Marine. And then the
Nice.
various variations and even all the trucks and support vehicles are Marine Corps.
I like it. I like it.
I will have a full train of Abrams tanks someday. I got 24 of them at home.
Oh, wow.
And I got cars for them and everything. It takes a long time to detail and make sure it looks right.
Mm-hmm.
So,
I like it. That
a lot of
is.
people just think it's Army, but it's
No, Marine Corps.
these are Marine Corps. That's their LTVs.
Yeah.
LTVs over there.
Yeah.
Yep. My brother drove one of those.
One of these?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Yeah, and these are the ones with the ATV anti-tank launchers.
Mm-hmm.
And these are just the regular personnel. There's a personnel one, and then they're light tank guns.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Are you former Marine or?
No, Air Force.
Yeah, my dad's Air Force. Okay. The lucky ones. I always tease.
Well, in college I took a military history course, and he said, well, if you think about it, the Army and Marines had it right. The enlisted people fight. The Air Force sent all the officers out to fight. If you think about it, all the officers fly the planes.
They're the ones flying, yep.
I always joke with my Navy friends. I say, oh, I drove a Prairie submarine. And they're thinking about it. I was in Minuteman missiles. So I was in a capsule 300 feet underground up in Montana. And
fun.
And I commanded 50 Minuteman missiles.
Awesome.
So,
Down deep.
yeah.
Kind of the opposite of flying high in the sky, huh?
So I always said I had a Prairie submarine. They say, well, could you look up above? Oh, I call my enlisted security guy upstairs and says, is it all clear? He goes, yeah, no, sir, we got about 12 inches of snow. Okay, we're packing it in for the night.
Oh my goodness.
I don't even know. I don't think it's finished.
No, but they still haven't run a car yet, or a train.